Now, I know it's a big title, but I truly believe that what I'm about to say is important for anyone starting out in photography. I think that the basic photography courses, while can be helpful for some, can actually harm a photographer's creativity. Many photography courses are more comprehensive than they need to be at the start. It's great to learn from someone experienced when you want to specialize or understanding something specific, but you don't need to learn everything right away. Starting with too much information can feel overwhelming, making photography seems big and complicated when it doesn't have to be like this. Starting photography in a traditional way with lots of rules and technical lessons can sometimes hurt the passion for it. When you focus too much on doing everything right from the beginning, you might lose some of the fun and creativity that makes photography special. Instead, in my opinion, it's often better to just start shooting. Don't stress too much about the technical stuff right away. Just pick up your camera and capture what interests you. This approach lets you learn what really excites you and what makes you feel creative. There is something really powerful about watching a photographer who is fully in the moment, in that flow state where they're completely immersed in the process. It's like they're truly connected to the scene, capturing each moment naturally, and it looks like it's without any effort. If there is something specific you want to learn to do, like making the background blurry while your subject is in focus and in sharp, you can learn it as you go. It's okay to take small steps, focusing on the techniques that helps you create the image that you want to create. Think of it like using a computer. You don't need to know how to program to use one. But once you're comfortable, you can dive deeper and learn more advanced skills if that's where your interest takes you. Photography at its core is fun. There are so many styles and ways to capture the world. I meet and talk with a lot of photographers all the time, and I notice that no matter their style, there is this shared feeling, a connection that comes from creating something independently. From capturing that one photo that you truly love. That is, in my eyes, the joy of photography. It's a creative field, and keeping that spark alive is so important, especially when you're just starting. I believe that if you're starting out, you should begin on your own without a course. Just grab your camera and start shooting, even if it means using this forbidden automatic mode. It's also really helpful to look for other photographers' work for inspiration. Seeing different styles can spark new ideas, which is why I include many examples in my videos. By the way, if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, it really helps me a lot. And tell me in the comments, what do you think about those basic photography courses? Are they more helpful or more harm for people who are just starting out? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.